Matua club. Thank the locals for showing hospitality to us and giving us time to come and use their facilities. Also like to, on the same note, like to thank our major sponsors, Fiji Water, Fiji Airways and Vision Motors for doing a great job that makes us able to come out here and play. I think the boys have been settling well. We played Samoa 2 weeks ago and we had one very big week of preparations last big training day, trying to get our fitness in and trying to make better the things we didn't do so well against Samoa, and I think the boys have gelled well, and we came out here today and just tied everything down, so come out tomorrow firing against a strong Tonga side. I think it's been great. The boys, you can see the boys are having fun. I think fun comes out of the knowledge that we know that we've done what we have had to do. We prepared well, and so looking forward to coming out tomorrow and showcasing that. I think all South Pacific teams are physical nowadays. That's the only way we go forward, getting momentum, and we know we've prepared well for that, and we trained so hard in the past 2 weeks, so we can match the Tongan physicality tomorrow and hopefully come out on top. And to all the supporters, fans, families that are going to come out tomorrow, I hope you'll enjoy the game, and for the rest of you that haven't bought your tickets, I think it's an event you wouldn't want to miss. It's going to be a great game, and to all supporters, families and fans back home, tune in tomorrow 4 p.m. Tongan time, and we'll put on a good show for you all.